Hi, Jacob. Thanks for sending us in your math question here. We notice it's a sum. I've written it out here, and they're giving us the rule for the sum. And we also notice, actually, the first thing we want to do is find the terms in the sequence. So we're going to plug in 1. If we plug in 1, we get 15 minus 3, which is 12. And if we plug in 2, we get 15 minus 6, which is 9. Plug in 3. We'll get 15 minus 9, which is 6. And then plug in 4. We'll get 15 minus 12, which is 3. Okay, so the first thing we want to notice is we want to figure out what kind of sequence this is, whether it's arithmetic or geometric. Now, if you notice here, it looks like it's going down by 3 every time. Okay, so we know that d equals -3, where d is the common difference, it's called. Okay, all right, so now we need to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So here are two equations for arithmetic sequences, the top being for the nth term and the bottom for the sum of the first n terms. So we're going to find s of 10. Okay, so since n is 10, we're going to plug that in here, 10 over 2. And then the first term we know is 12. And then now we need to figure out the 10th term. Okay, so I'm going to write a of 10 here, but we need to figure that out. So I'm going to find that on the side using the top equation here. Okay, so a of 1 is 12, the first term. Okay, plus, and then 10 minus 1 times the quantity d, which is -3. All right, so then we get a of 10, which equals 9 times -3 is -27. 12 minus 27 is -15. Okay, so now we have our 10th term, so we plug that in. I'm going to change 10 over 2 to 5, and then we got 12 minus 15 here. Okay, so then we get -3 times 5, which is -15, and there is the sum of the first 10 terms. Thanks, Jacob, for sending us in your problem. Have a good evening.